The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 3, verse 191.
Our Lord, you did not create this aimlessly. Exalted are you above such a thing.
This supplication teaches the importance of reflecting on the creation in order to strengthen one's faith. It is important for a Muslim to be observant in their daily life and not be so self-absorbed in their own worldly matters that they become heedless from the things which are occurring around them. This is an important quality to possess, as it is an excellent way to strengthen one's faith, which in turn helps one to remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted, at all times, fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and being with destiny. For example, when a Muslim observes a sick person, they should not only aid them by whatever means they possess, even if it is only a supplication, but they should reflect on their own health, and understand that they too will eventually lose their good health, either by an illness, aging, or even death. This should inspire them to be grateful for their good health, and show this through their actions, by taking advantage of their strength in both worldly and religious matters, which are pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. When they observe the death of a rich person, they should not only feel sad for the deceased and their family, but realize that one day which is unknown to them, they will die also. They should understand that just like the rich person was abandoned by their wealth, fame, and family at their grave, so will they too be left with their deeds in their grave. This will encourage them to prepare for their grave and the hereafter. This attitude can and should be applied to all things one observes. A Muslim should learn a lesson from everything around them, which has been indicated in this supplication. Those who behave in this manner will strengthen their faith on a daily basis, whereas those who are too self-absorbed in their worldly life will remain heedless, which can lead them to their destruction.